How much more you notice something that you can't see.
A whole garden of flowers and my name etched on a rock. All this could have been avoided. All I wanted was to talk.
Now I've been appointed as your new king. I decree that it's too late to start caring about me. I wanna feel it. I bet on losing dogs.
Someday I'll wake and rub my eyes, and in that land beyond the skies, you'll find me. I know if you look for me, I'll look you in the eye. I know if you look for me, I'll look you in the eye.
If I betray you, I betray myself. If I betray him, I betray my country. My country is very dear to me.
Dearer than I?
No, not dearer than you.
My dear Arthur.
Dear listeners.
Dear Bruce. To my dear Historia.
Lord, I'm one, Lord, I'm two, Lord, I'm three.
You don't remember what she looks like. Hey, just make something up.
Maybe Cupid won't miss.
Paradise has got a spot for me, an idle brain invites the devil in. La 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 la. Father, forgive me for my sins. La 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 la.
I can't help but sympathize, 'cause I see behind your eyes that you're trying, reaching towards something. I am waiting. I have been waiting. I was born waiting. I was born waiting.
I could have been wild, I could have been free, but nature played this trick on me. She wants.
Inside the red, yours are too thin. Red on my face is reaching you. Goodness, you're bleeding. What a wonderful feeling. You're down and you're bleeding. My head is just reeling. The red means I love you. Taste in your blood means I love you. The red means I love you.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only
did.
waiting for this moment to arrive.
Have you heard the story of the sea that loved the moon?
In my rest I cannot eat. She signed her name and pen in a fancy, fancy curse and turned her term papers in.